In this video, I will teach you how to pick up a dropped stitch without a crochet hook. As you can see, we have 4 drop stitches, so 4 ladders and 1 loop at the bottom. So with our left needle, we will insert front to back through that bottom loop. Then we will lift that first ladder over and onto our left needle. We will then take the loop and pull it over that ladder stitch so that the ladder is now our new stitch. That's our first picked up stitch. We will then take the next ladder with our left needle, and then we will pull that old loop over the ladder to create a new loop, which is another picked up stitch. You can then see we have 2 ladder stitches left. We will lift one up, and then we will pull that over to pick up another stitch. One more time, we will pick up that last dropped stitch and then pull the loop over the ladder. As you can see, we have picked up all of our dropped stitches and it looks smooth once more. This way is perfect if you don't have a crochet hook or never crochet, would rather just do it with your needles.